Hi, I just want to share with you a fantastic trade that I've just recently exited, trading the E-mini today, the S&P 500 futures market. Today is Thursday, the 17th of August, 2023. And I want to explain to you, firstly, how I entered the trade and why I entered the trade. So, first of all, you can see on the chart in front of you here red price bars, and you can see blue price bars, and indeed you can see green price bars. Now, that is my proprietary software trading tool at its work. It paints the price bars red if there's weakness, it paints them blue if there's strength, and it paints them green if there's neutrality. So in this instance, it had painted the price bars red. But let me just tell you one small prior trade that was a losing trade that I took before this fantastic selling trade. We had blue price bars indicating strength for the market to come out of previous weakness over here. And then the price bars retraced and give us what we call a confirmed higher price action trading pattern low. And that is based on my trend rules. Okay, that's based on a rule set that determines whether I'm in a confirmed price action uptrend or a confirmed price action downtrend. In this instance, we were in a confirmed price action uptrend and with blue price bars. So therefore, that was indicating the market was more likely to go up. And if we make a higher low, of which we did here, a higher confirmed low, then the objectives are always to make higher confirmed highs. And indeed, our stop loss originally would have been in underneath this low blue bar. And then when the market went up and was unable to make a higher high, it then gave us a confirmed lower high. And once we got a confirmed lower high, then that meant that we had to get out of any buy signal that we were in. But it wasn't until this red price bar confirmed that for me. Okay, so therefore my entry was here for the buy trade and my exit was here. So it was a very, very small loss, which is what trading and successful trading is all about, keeping your losses small and letting your profits run. So again, I got the sell signal here because we got a lower confirmed price action high, and then I had my red price bar. And lo and behold, the next bar went green, admittedly, and then we went into red mode. It didn't look back. But my risk was from my entry here onto my exit up here. That was my initial risk. It was a reasonably small risk, a few points to be quite honest. But anyway, the market started to fall. And was I able to ride this? Of course I was, because the price bars now were indicating weakness, but they were solidly kept red. They were red the whole way down. And not only were they red the whole way down, then any retracement was continued on the vein of a lower price action low. And that meant that the price action trend was now very much confirming the colour of the price bars being in a continuous downtrend. And that market fell and it fell and it fell. And from our entry to our exit was just over about 2 hours. It may have fell 40 points. Now, let me tell you why I exited that trade. It went through at support S1 and then it hit support S2. But although it went down lower in round here, if you can see there is a lower high, that's a lower confirmed high. And then we were not able to continue in that vein, the vein down, which was a lower confirmed low. And all of a sudden we got a higher low in place. Now there was no buy signal there because with no blue price bars. And then the market went up through that there and gave me a confirmed higher low. And once again it went up through that previous high. And because of this move down, then remember, as much as I wanted this market to continue falling and falling and falling, as you would if you were in this trade, we know that it doesn't go down forever or up forever. And indeed, it was a good exit, but it was a 40-point trade. Now, let me tell you what 40 points is. On a standard S&P contract, that is a $2,000 move in just over 2 hours. And a micro contract, which is the micro account here, a simple single micro account on this was a $200 trade. Now, a $200 trade with the requirement being from quite a lot of the brokers that are trading the micros from an intraday perspective, in other words, day trading, it was only $50 to enter this trade. That was the original margin requirement. Now, please, I am not advocating you to start trading if you're not trading. I'm only pointing out the facts. And I'm just showing you the methodology that I use myself. And I've been a trader and continue to be so now in close to 40 years. And more importantly, I've been mentoring and teaching people just like you for this past 25 years, since 1998. I'm in my 25th year using and developing this particular system and methodology. I have used it, I've developed it, and I've perfected it. Okay. And it is a very powerful methodology and a very simple methodology to use, but there is a little bit of learning as far as our price action confirmed trends, because that is based on a scientific rule set. Okay, so once we learn the trends and then we are able to follow the colors of the price bars, it is second to none. It creates an edge, and that enables us to have consistently accurate trading signals no matter the market we're trading. It could be foreign exchange, it could be Forex, it can be commodities. In this instance, it's the stock indices, the S&P 500. It's a great method and a great way to trade. And if you follow the rules, remember, we keep our risk small and we know strategically at all times of what our risk is. But if you want to learn more, folks, please go to beawinningtrader.com/masterclass. That's a /masterclass. And in there, you can sign up and register to watch a masterclass where I give much greater detail of how our price action methodology works, and then how we couple that methodology using this proprietary and unique software trading tool. And also, you'll have the option in there, if you wish, to book a Zoom call with me, where not only can we get to know each other a little bit better, but where you and I can, where I can certainly answer your questions and any queries you may have about your trading or about my trading system and methodology. So I look forward to perhaps seeing you on the other end. I look forward to you on a Zoom call, but I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you now. Good evening.